Good morning everyone, welcome or welcome back. It is a beautiful spring day. It's going to be a top of 22 degrees today, and I am getting this property ready for spring, starting with smoothing out as much land as I can so we can mow easily. I've done this, I've kind of half done this. We'll work on this a little bit more today. I need to mow all of this, and also today we need to work on this. We did clean this up a couple of months ago. It's still a bit too bumpy to mow the lawns on, so we'll be working on that. But first, I've got to fill the tractor. Look at that. Isn't that just so pretty? The green on the ground just makes the biggest difference. I'm so excited for the grass to grow back. Did you ever think you'd hear me say that? If you're new here, subscribe, but let me also bring you up to speed. We live in Victoria in Australia. It is a beautiful part of the world. We live down in a valley. We have a lot of cold in our winter, and we're just coming out of our winter. But on top of that, I've spent the past 6 months transforming our property because John Deere dropped me off a tractor and a ride-on mower, and I've been doing work for them for the past 6 months as well. Let me explain a little bit about today's video. I'm cleaning up areas that have been left rough and that are a bit hard to mow over. And the reason I'm rushing to clean these up now is because we want to put the auger on the back of the tractor to dig post holes so we can finally fence our flower/veggie patch, which is something that anyone who's been here for a while knows has been in the works for years. And many viewers have actually bought me a coffee, and it's going towards the cost of putting together this fence around the flower and veggie patch. So yeah, the tractor's still here. So while it's here, I'm going to use it. I need to switch over to an auger so we can get the fencing done finally. So that'll be in another upcoming video very soon. I know you can't see me, I'm off camera, but I do just want to say it's been school holidays, so I haven't been using the tractor because I try not to use it when the kids are home. So it's very rare I'll use it when the kids are home, and it's when Moroni is watching them inside. This is just a reminder, don't take risks. It's not worth it. And for me, this is a very tight space today, and it's just so much easier to work when I know I'm not having to look behind me, or, well, I'm looking behind me, but there's no chance a child is going to come out and sneak up behind me. It's impossible because there's none here. So I just want to say, be careful. Machinery like this, there is no second chances if you run over a kid. So you can probably tell I've got some weird angles and things going on. I'm actually trying to hide something. I'm keeping it out of camera. It'll be revealed by John Deere soon, and then I can show you all. But yeah, I know most of you know this paddock is bigger than what you're seeing on camera, and that's why there's something in this paddock that I can't show you just yet. complete. It looks really good. Had to bring in a load over there, as you saw. But yeah, I am really happy with this. I mean, it's not completely flat, but it's very smooth and mowable now, which is what I wanted. Over the years, I've had to kind of let go of the idea of perfection, because what I would like here is flat like a piece of glass. But it gets to the point where you've got to weigh up how long it's going to take you to achieve that versus what will do the job. And once the grass grows, my daughter wants to eventually put goats in here, so they're kind of going to trample it anyway. I'm really happy I got that done. That took me about 2 hours. I can't even begin to imagine how long it would have taken without the tractor. But and I've actually even got the flu at the moment. I'm on the tail end of it. But because I didn't have to do so much physical work, I can actually do things. It's really amazing, actually. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to go inside, get something to eat. Okay, let's see. All my hair's a bit hairish. Anyway, so I mentioned I found this. I found treasure. That was out in that paddock that I was just clearing. I like little things like this. Hey, Puss, you want to come in? Come. Next job is to find my gloves, which I've lost again. I chucked them on the ground. Okay, next job. This is what I'm been putting off because I'm not really very excited about it. I've got to grab the rake. We're going to go up. Oops. We're going to go up the back, and I smoothed out that area up the back. I think it was yesterday. But now what I need to do is pick up the rocks, smooth off the edges, so as the grass goes back, it is really nice and smooth, and we're able to mow it. But yeah, this is my exciting life right now, just smoothing dirt and raking. I moved as much of this mulch out to the paddock as I could yesterday because we're going to use it on the trees out there, but I can probably build myself another little pile and come and pick some more up of it a little bit later. Oh, hi Puss. Hey Puss. But it is really full of rocks, and that's what I've got to do, pick them up. Does anybody else hate picking up rocks? Oh. I don't know if I can adequately describe to you how tired of rocks I am. I'm so sick of them. They just consume my life. Every time I turn around and try to do something, there's rocks. So this was my little quick job to do after lunch. Like, I was just gonna rake all this nice and smooth so the grass could grow back. I reckon I'm gonna spend the next hour picking up rocks. And there's heaps of them. It's like a blanket of rocks. I think I need to just go like clean up what I can on the surface, go and get a load of topsoil and just dump it on top and hide the rocks forever. I'm so tired of them. I mean, does anybody have anything worse than rocks on their property? wheel this too far now because it's so heavy. I'm not even sure that the wheelbarrow would do this. Oh. Oh. Almost time to go pick up the kids. So I'm gonna go inside, have a break, and then we'll do the mowing later this afternoon. Back. No mic because I don't want to be mowing. It falls off me and I mow over it. I already put one through the wash. It actually still works. So I'm gonna use the push mower. We are about to have a killer sunset too, so I'm gonna get some of this done and then let's enjoy it. We also just put the auger on the tractor ready for, wow, my camera's really crooked, sorry. Ready for the fencing.